Good morning. Good morning, Mrigango, Trayambak, Nivedita, Pavitra, Sunshine, and good morning, Shamadrita, Ashma, Abradeep. A very good morning, student. How are you all? How are you all? Pavitra, you are sleeping, you are yawning. How are you all, beta? Is Trayambak is okay. Nivedita, you are fine. Very good. Shanchan, I can't see you, beta. Okay. Debansh, what are you doing, Debansh? Like this? Debansh, stop it. Debansh. So now send P for present. For the attendance, send P. Everyone send P. Very good. Debansh, Nivedita. Then everyone send P for present. Send P for present. I'm waiting for your P. No one is sending P. How many? Trayambak. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, Shrestha. Shamadrita, you can see me? Shamadrita, maybe there's some internal problem from your side. Just disconnect the call and rejoin the call. Disconnect the call and rejoin the call, beta. Okay. So today you will get ready with your maths text copy, your pencil and eraser. In previous class, we have done with back counting 10 to 1, okay. So we'll do some activity and then we will do from 20 to 11. Write today's date and CW and write the heading. Fill in missing number. Fill in the missing number. Very good. Abradeep, you can't see. There may be some internal problem. Shamadrita, Abradeep, just disconnect the call and rejoin the class. Write the heading. Everyone will write. I want to see everyone writing. Pavitra, where is your copy, Pavitra? Pavitra, sit with your pencil and maths text copy and you will write, fill in the missing number and you will start writing. Ten, 8, 5, 4, 10 dash 8 dash 5 4 dash 2 dash. you will do this missing number, you will do this activity and you will send me the picture in the chat box. You will do this activity and you will send me the picture in the chat box. Everyone will do themselves, you all know. So you will do your own self. Yes, Anchan, very good. Debansh, please guardians, you all just write the heading. They can write themselves, but still you will write the heading, and this part they will do their own self. Debansh, take your pencil better and you can write your own self better. Very good, Pavitra. Pavitra, Debansh, you can write your own self better. Yes, Mringango, very good. Nivedita, very good. Nivedita, put the line, underline it. Underline it. Very good, Brintika Pancha. Very good, Nivedita Shah. Ashma, very good. Ashma, you can leave one boxes and write better. You have so big. Nivedita, very good. Mringango, very good. Devansh, very good. Yes, Devansh, very good. Devansh is having. Troyambuk, write better 9 properly. Write 9 like this better. Write 9 like this. Very good, Troyambuk. Ashma, very good. Brintika, Nivedita, Mringango, Shrestha, all are very good. Then Afreen Khatun, very good. Shanchan, write today's date and CW beta. Shanchan, write today's date and CW. Devansh, write today's date and CW. Troyambuk, write today's date. Troyambuk, Devansh, Afreen Khatun. Devansh, Sunshine, Afreen Khatun, Pavitra, everyone write today's date. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, we'll do a second activity. You will in that page only, in that same page you will do, okay? In same page you will do, you will write the heading, back counting, number 20 to 11. 20 to 11. can you tell me what it is? Can you tell me what it is? Who can tell me what it is? Anyone? Shrestha is typing something. Pavitra is also typing. Let me see who can say. I am waiting for your reply. Then, Brintika, there may be some internal problem beta from your side. Just disconnect the call and rejoin the call again. I am waiting. Who can tell me what it is? What it is? No, it is not a butterfly. Butterfly is so like this. Butterfly is like this. Butterfly is like this. Tell me what it is. No one knows. Pavitra, maybe there is some internal problem from your side. This is a caterpillar. What it is? Caterpillar. Caterpillar. So this caterpillar will help us to do the back counting from 20 to 11. You will draw this in your copy and then we will start writing, okay? The first is 2, 0, 20. Then, just a second. 20. After 20, what comes before 20? Yes, very good. Sis? Sonchan, very good. And Shrestha, do big beta. Your copy is so big. Do big beta. 2020, before 20 comes 19, 19. Before 19, 18. Before 18, what comes before 18? Tell me what comes before 18. Say me in the chat box. Before 18. Before 18 is 17. Before 17 is, yes, before 17. Before 17. Yes, very good. 16. Before 16. What comes before 16? Yes, very good, very good. 15. Before 15. What comes before 15? Yes, very good. Mrigango, Sonchan, Nivedita, Debansh, very good. 15, then comes 14. Before 14. Yes, yes, very good. Before 13. Before 13, I was here. Then before 13, I came here. So, yes, 12. Before 12. Before 12, yes, 1, 11. So, let's say again from starting. 20, 20, 19, 19, 18, 18, 17, 1 6 16, 1 5 15, 1 4 14, 1 3 13, 1 2 12, 1 1 11. So now do this in your copy and send me the snap in the chat box. Send me the picture of this. So C, the caterpillar spelling is C-A-T-E-R. So this is called caterpillar. Very good, Shrestha. I can't see the number, beta. I can't see the number. If you are doing the coloring of this, do light color like yellow, blue, light sky blue, yellow. Very good, Abradeep. Send me the snap in the chat box. Very good. So, my dear students, we'll end this class over here. So, for today, class will ends over here. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye, students. We'll meet you in the next online class.